Simbolon. Today we're going to take a deep dive into the world of international business by exploring four critical external factors that shape how companies operate on a global scale. We will examine the legal, technological, accounting, and political environment. The legal environment this encompasses the intricate web of laws, regulation, and legal system that every business must navigate. A key challenge for international companies is managing legal obligations across multiple jurisdictions. This means a company must comply not only with the domestic laws of its home country but also with the foreign law of every single country where it operates. Failure to understand or comply with these diverse foreign regulations can have severe consequences, including costly lawsuits, crippling financial penalties, or even a complete ban from a market. For example, a company might face a lawsuit for violating local consumer protection law that differ from those in its home country. Legal influence on strategy. The legal environment also has a profound influence on a company's strategic decision. Laws and regulation can act as gatekeepers determining which market a firm can enter and under what condition. They can also detect what price companies can charge for their product or service, and they can significantly affect a firm's operational costs, such as labor, wage, and the cost of material. These factors directly impact a firm's profitability and its overall decision-making process. For instance, a country's strict labor law regarding working hours or minimum wage can be a decisive factor in a company decision on where to locate in manufacturing operation. Intellectual property and cyber law in today's competitive landscape. Intellectual property, which includes valuable assets like logo, brand, names, patents, and design, is a crucial part of business value. If a company fails to register its intellectual property in foreign market in timely manner, it risks having its trademarks or patents claimed by others, leading to legal battles and lost market share. Additionally, in our increasingly digital world, business must constantly adapt to fast-changing cyber law. This law governs a wide range of issues, including data encryption, government access to user data, and internet censorship. We've seen these gains like Google and Facebook face significant challenges in countries that require them to share user data with the government, forcing them to make tough decisions about their operation and privacy policies. Part 2. The technological environment. Technological environment. Next, let's explore the technological environment. This is the collection of factors, infrastructure, and innovation that influence how a company design, manufacture, market, and distribute its product or service globally. The main components of this environment are vast and varied. They include a country's technology, infrastructure such as on its internet penetration and data speeds, the availability of hardware and software, and these various government regulation and policies that either ensure or restrict technological development and adoption. Opportunity and challenge. Technology presents both powerful opportunity and significant challenge for international business. On the opportunity side, technology provides greater global market access through e-commerce and digital platforms, allowing even small business to reach international customers. It also dramatically improves operational efficiency through automation and data analytics, and facilitates seamless cross-border communication. Seamless cross-border communication and collaboration make it easier for companies to operate in multiple countries. However, there are also major challenges. Cybersecurity and data privacy concern are paramount as a company must protect their sensitive data from a growing number of threats. The digital divide between countries with and without access to advanced technology creates uneven playing fields. Moreover, the contents need to protect intellectual property in a world where information can be copied and shared instantly is a continuous struggle. Part 3, the accounting environment. Why accounting is important? The accounting environment is another critical, yet often overlooked factor in international business is importance. System from the fact that each country has its own unique set of accounting rules, standards, and practice. This difference can have a significant impact on a company financial statement, making it difficult for investor and manager to compare financial performance across different markets. Therefore, international companies need to have flexible and customizable accounting system that can adapt to this variation, ensuring they remain compliant and can accurately track their financial health. The roots of difference, that's national difference in accounting system, are deeply rooted in a different legal system. For example, countries with a common law system, like the United States and the United Kingdom, rely on principle based on GAAP, generally accepted accounting principle, and allow for a degree of professional judgment in interpreting and applying these rules. In contrast, countries with a good law system, such as France and Germany, base their accounting on detailed written laws. This makes their rules more rigid and require strict to government rules, leaving little room for interpretation. This fundamental difference in legal and accounting system make it difficult to compare financial statements between countries, which can sometimes lead to investor making incorrect or uninformed decisions. Part 4. The political environment. Definition and elements. Finally, let's discuss the political environment. This refers to the government system, policies, and political stability and international relations, the influence of company business operation. The key elements of this environment include the state political system, whether it's a stable democracy or a more unpredictable totalitarian regimes, and the government policy related to trade, foreign investment, and taxation. These policies, such as tariffs, tax incentive, or restriction or foreign ownership, have a direct and powerful impact on a company's day-to-day operation and its overall profitability. Political stability and risk. Political stability is a prime factor for any international business. A stable political environment characterized by consistent law and predictable government action create an attractive and secure investment climate. Conversely, political instability, which can manifest as political conflict, social unrest, or sudden and unexpected government change, dramatically increase business risk and uncertainty. These risks, such as the outbreak of war, collapse, or rebellion, must be thoroughly and regularly analyzed before a company commits to any international business expansion. Business need to ask themselves, is the country political landscape stable enough for me to invest my capital? Business strategy to navigate this complex political environment. Business must adopt specific strategies. First, they need to conduct a comprehensive political risk analysis before entering new market. This involved assessing the potential for political instability, regulatory change, or policy shifts that could harm their operation. Second, business can diversify their investment across multiple countries to reduce their exposure to high risk areas. Finally, and purpose, most importantly, engaging in lobbying, business diplomacy, and building strong, positive relationships with local political actors are crucial for long-term success. This effort helps business to better understand the political landscape, influence policy, and secure their position in a foreign market. So guys, the material is finished. Thank you for your attention and see you on the next video. Goodbye!